ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಅಪ್ಪಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ರಾಜಭವನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
On the day his government completed 2 years in office, B.S. Yediyurappa resigned as Karnataka Chief Minister on Monday. The 78-year-old BJP veteran leader announced his decision to resign from the top post with tears in his eyes and choking voice in Vidhana Sauda's banquet hall.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಅಪ್ಪಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ರಾಜಭವನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ದುಃಖದಿಂದಲ್ಲ, ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ, ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ.
From Vidhana Saudha, Yediyurappa went straight to Raj Bhavan, where Governor Thawarchand Gehlot wasted no time in accepting his 2-line registration letter and issued a statement saying the Council of Ministers had been dissolved. With this, the 4-time Chief Minister finally drew curtains on speculations over leadership's change in the state. Despite being a 4-time Chief Minister, Yediyurappa has held the post only for 5 years and 2 months in total. The suspense over who will succeed him, however, continues. The BJP central leadership is expected to send an observer to Karnataka to review the BJP legislature party meeting, which is likely to be called on Wednesday or Thursday, where a new chief minister will be named. Meanwhile, the BJP State Unit President Nalin Kumar Katil and Arun Singh have already stated that the new Chief Minister will be selected in the Parliamentary Board meeting and the process will be completed in a span of 2 to 3 days. It is said that the new Chief Minister will take oath by Thursday.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಅಪ್ಪಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ರಾಜಭವನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ದುಃಖದಿಂದಲ್ಲ, ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ, ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ.